Alright guys, welcome back. It is very cold out this week, but we've got rebaling to do. This year's about only within 1,000 bales to do. So he's out here with the loader, I'm here with the trailer. Let's start this thing up and let's get started on some rebaling this year. Let's have some fun. Let's put some choke in her. Today we're going to be doing 2 trailer loads, try and get them out, and get one customer taken care of. So stick along, there's going to be a few videos of this, and then that should be it for this year's big videos. So yeah. Oh yeah, there's the row crop head. So this hay right here came off of the first cutting we did this year. It did get a little rain on it, but it's not very bad. It's actually very good. It's actually pretty good, all things considered. Quality's decent, and it's what the person's looking for that is ordering this. So we're gonna start up trailer load number 1. Man, isn't this just a nice tractor? She runs strong. My favorite tractor ever, the Rebale 560. Next year though, she's getting her repaint. That's the plan for next year. Get a repaint. Oh yeah, pretty neat. So there's 3 on there. We're bringing up the last one to go on the trailer. Alright, we're ready to go. So this is the Rebaler. Pretty popular machine on the channel. But basically, we throttle this tractor down. There we go. Alright, basically what this machine is built of is actually pretty simple, let me tell you. We have a Heston 4590 square baler. On the top of this conveyor, I forgot the brand of it, but a Simcoe conveyor. We got a Dewey's super slicer, bale spreader, so bale processor, that dumps into it. And all of this is powered from the PTO and the hydraulics of this tractor. And this tractor is a 1998 John Deere 7410. It's a good machine. We love it. Alright, we already started. We got everything shined up. Started loading the trailer. Alright, trailer load number 2 to work on getting this order finished out. We're on an empty round bale trailer. We're going to switch to a different row of round bales. As you see, we got a lot of round bales over there, and we got a bunch over here. So, we got to try and, we're not going to be using near close to all of them, but we're going to be using a bunch. And we'll get these orders knocked out before Thanksgiving, hopefully. So, yeah. All Thanksgiving's coming up. Be thankful, people. Be thankful. And eat turkey and mashed potatoes, this and dumplings, green bean casserole, everything, all the good stuff. Pumpkin pie, apple pie, good stuff. But yeah, winter is setting in, as you can see over there. All the fields are ready for snowmobiling. All clear. We got the bean field over there, cornfield over there, cornfield up there, oat field beyond that. So we are ready. Yeah, ready. 6 cylinders. This IHC 6-cylinder engine is a really good motor. Never have an issue with it. Love it. I know these 560s get a bad rap from their bad axle issue, but after they fixed that, these things are absolutely bulletproof. I love the 560. I mean, it looks good. It was kind of the transition model from kind of the all red rounded pin to what. I mean, they used this up until the 88 series. This kind of design. So this was kind of the first traction that started. The next year, think of this. Red and white, all new paint. It's gonna look good, really good. New front tires, everything. It's gonna look good. And there's the loader tractor. So this is out of another tube. We're gonna put 4 on this trailer. Takes about 6 to do these loads. That's it's a little mold on the outside, but don't worry. We usually always take off the first layer and we only send in the good stuff in the center. But it's only on the first bale. The next 3 bales, they look good. So it's just a little spoilage you get on the very outside. We pull that stuff off as it comes in. Almost done for the day. We'll get her done. All done. It's getting dark. We don't like rebaling in the dark. Stuff always goes wrong in the dark. Alright guys, that is it for part 1 of rebaling. There are more videos to come. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.